Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about psychology that includes introduction to psychology, psychology is a science and nature of psychology. Please subscribe my channel and never forget to press bell icon button so that you may receive my new videos on daily basis. So without wasting time, let's start. So first of all, we will define psychology. What is psychology? Psychology is the scientific study of behavior and mental process. It studies the relationship between mind and behavior. Psychology puts light on the outer signals that create specific activities in our mind, which are called mental activities, and such activities have direct influence on our behavior. Psychology, like other sciences, seeks to describe, explain, predict, and controls the events it studies. For example, behavior and mental process. Psychology is considered as a science. Why? Because it follows principles of scientific method. This includes the formulation of hypotheses, the collection and analysis of data, and the testing of these hypotheses through experiments or other methods. Psychology attempts to explain behavior through empirical evidence and strives to make objective conclusions that can be tested and replicated. And now comes the nature of psychology. The nature of psychology refers to the study of human mind and behavior, aiming to understand and explain both normal and abnormal psychological process. It involves exploring various aspects such as perception, cognition, emotion, personality, motivation, social interactions, and mental health. I hope you will like my video. Goodbye.